Hi, it's Carrie. I'm a couple blocks away from my house in the playground of the elementary school my kids used to go to. Just back from a run that took me over to their high school and back. And here's what came to me as I was running. Last night was back to school night. My sons are now in 12th grade, they're seniors in high school, and it is the last back to school night I'm ever going to go to. After 19 years of back to school nights every single year, juggling 1, 2, or 3 children's schedules all at the same time. And this was the last one. It came into me as the same time, it's kind of bittersweet, as they're moving on, moving out of high school, and my business is going through so many transitions, I'm rebranding, all these things are happening. So much good has come out of these past years. So much good has come out of the brand that I created with Carrie Through, the pictures that I created, my kids' high school, my kids' elementary school, their middle schools. All of it has been such full of opportunity, full of advancement, and now we're moving on. It's certainly bittersweet, and I'm going to miss a lot of it. I'm going to mourn some of it, mourn a lot of it probably, and at the same time, I'm looking forward to it and embracing the possibilities. And you know, the same thing is happening in your business every single day. There are things that you grow out of. There are things that you've used that have helped you so much, and then it's time to let them go. So look upon them thankfully for being there with you, and now with the excitement of moving forward into new. Hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. Bye.